This is just a short video going through the cost breakdown for my daughter's medium wheelbase Sprinter campervan conversion, which she did back in 2017. It's a really popular layout with the bed over a garage area at the back and with tongue and groove cladding throughout the van. I think the original idea was to have a roof rack on top of the van, hence the ladder, but so far she's not needed that extra storage capacity. With the bulkhead taken out, there's a thermal curtain between the living area and the cabin. All the woodwork in the van is treated with 3 or 4 coats of Danish oil. From here you might need to press pause if you want to take a good look at the numbers. Although I'm assuming that prices will have gone up since 2017, actually post-lockdown with all the sales around, you might be able to bring it in for the same price or even cheaper. Obviously you don't need to do everything at once either, you can do it in stages. Way back when we first started using a van to get away, we were sharing the back with a ton of wet windsurfing gear, sleeping on the racking and using a 1-burner Keller gas stove to cook with. Then as time went by and money became available, it was possible to build it out into something a little bit more luxurious. So there you go, you can do a similar conversion for about £3,500, get a second-hand fridge and so on, and the price comes down even more. Buy a van, go and have some adventures, upgrade as you go along, it's all good.